Junior cooking. Junior master chef. I'm not joking.
Hi, my name's Katrina from Year 8. Today I'm making snaut jokmon, which is basically a sour chicken soup.
Hi, my name is Reangsey and I'm in Year 5. Today I'm making japchae soup. I hope you enjoy it. The main ingredients I use are carrots, white Chinese cabbage, jelly ear, and mushroom.
When I was growing up, I got sick a lot and she would usually make this dish for me a lot. So this dish is a bit nostalgic for me.
I choose this dish because if I chose like not a soup base, then it will take longer for me to swallow. I'll just stay there and take 2 hours.
Reangsey was literal, he was having troubles swallowing his food because of his throat wasn't developing properly.
From when I first came to PAL to now, I developed the ability to keep calm when overcoming hardships that came with cooking. And also develop patience.
Yeah, very hard. Sometimes tell her, and sometimes remember, sometimes not remember, again.
The hardest part of the dish is cutting all the vegetables, which includes the radish, the carrots.
I thought the hardest part of the dish was patience.
That's why I need a boiler so that I don't have to boil
it. Waiting for the soup to cook. That was patient. That was the hardest part of your dish.
Both of them. Cutting the vegetables and waiting for it to boil.
She's scared, hold the knife. And now she's confident to hold the knife, cut vegetable, cut the meat. Yeah, very good. Important for her future, for her life. Make my kid like confident to cook. Sometimes I just tell her to do something, she can do it.
My mom goes through stress every day for cooking for 3 or 4 people, including herself. No one is helping her around the house.
Do you help me now?
Sometimes help her cook.
I really like this Right Livelihood Program because what it's actually shown me is that both of my twins, they're very capable of what they can do even at this age. This is a skill that they can carry on and have with them throughout their life.
I want to keep winning because I want to show gratitude. She didn't have to teach me for nothing. She taught me for a reason.
Thank you for teaching me and supporting me along my cooking journey.
I love you, Mommy.